but you guys can't see him. But there's a baby Mo'o on our fake plant. Mo'o is lizard. Please don't jump at me. Do you see him? He was in our room last night, and I didn't want our dog to accidentally mistaken him for a snack. So Rustin removed him from our room and put him here, and he hasn't left. He must like it. Looks like a baby alligator. Come, Ellie. Oh, come on. A little bit more. Come here.
Step. It's his first steps.
Good boy. Come on. All right. Ellie, come here. Come here.
He's like, oh boy.
Bonk. Bonk.
Come on.
No, 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 no. Bonk.
Come on. Oh gosh. Good job.
Hey friends, Ellie here. This is just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel. Also, please give a thumbs up if you like this cone.
It's that time again. What did our neighbors give us today?
My neighbor is spoiling us again with more stuffed mochi, and this one is lihimoi pineapple. If you're from Hawaii, you are very familiar with what lihimoi is and how good it is on pineapple. Hey guys, so Rustin just finished work. He's hangry, so we gotta go feed the monster. We're gonna feed the monster at KFC. Somebody said in the comments that she said you should have Rustin's knowledge portion in your video.
Bruh.
Hi, welcome back to my KFC. Would you like to try our famous bowl for today?
Yes, please.
On with the famous bowl, did you want just a bowl by yourself or did you want that with a combo?
I'll take the combo.
What drink would you like with that?
Mountain Dew.
Do anything else?
Yeah, can I get that with a large? Oh, does it come with fries?
No, it only comes with a drink and a cookie.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 4-piece combo.
This number 4 in original, and what drink would you like with that?
Mountain Dew.
Anything else?
Can I get large French fries?
$26.99.
Okay, thank you. $26.
Alright, when you're ready.
Alright, can I get one medium caramel macchiato?
Iced.
Iced?
Medium caramel ice macchiato, anything else?
Yeah. Let's see. I'll try the small peach passion fruit. Anything else?
You want donut?
No.
Then I'm good.
And a hash brown.
So somebody in the comments, Dina, said I should include Rustin's facts in my videos because he shares some very knowledgeable facts, such as an orange and a lime equals a lemon, or a watermelon and honeydew is a cantaloupe. What do you guys think? What's your fact for today?
If you don't eat for 12 hours, you're gonna get grouchy.
AKA?
You.
No? Hangry.
Always feed your wife.
Always feed your wife. I'm in a great mood. I don't know what he's talking about.
Wait till the camera turns off.
You guys, he's so hangry. We couldn't even drive home. He set up right outside of KFC parking lot. This is our setup. Only in Hawaii, where you can sit on a cooler in a parking lot and eat your fried chicken on the bed of your truck. We got 4-piece chicken, mashed potatoes. I got the famous bowl. And if you don't know, they have some bomb French fries. not hangry.
What are you talking smack
Oh,
about me?
he's so happy now. Happy guy.
Let's go shopping.
Yay. Guys, that little lizard that we removed from our bedroom is back. And instead of being in the bathroom, he's on my side of the bed. Nope.
We got our fidgets. We got our fidgets, and I'm super, super excited because whoa, those are not really mini. I got my puppet. I got my pop too. Got a water snake. All my poppets. It's squared. Nee Doh. I have my other poppets because I love poppets and they're the best. My simple Dimple. I want to open this pop too. Me too. Oh, you got some too? What? I thought we were only getting one. There's 8. Yeah, so we have 16. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I've been watching videos all week. Oh my god. I don't know why we're so excited, but we are. Get this. Ow! Put Dimple. Oh! Look at this one, my favorite. Overall, it's awesome. This is awesome. Okay, I'm happy with all of them. Okay, slowly.
I can't fit you guys in the thing. Okay, go.
Please don't break it.
How much more is it gonna?
How? Stretch it all out already. Okay. Oops, I keep taking it out.
Oh, that's a big jump rope.
Uh-oh, I heard a pop. Does it do something? Yes. Hello. Are you okay? My knees are hurting because I have a cut and I'm on the stairs and I'm trying to talk to you.
P10. Say subscribe.
Surprise. Made a sound. Make the fucking sound.